I've tracked down Ray.
Have you ever wondered how to solve the Rubik's Cube? It's actually very easy.
It was at this moment I knew what my destiny was, to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I started searching. I searched everywhere. I searched cupboard after cupboard, looked in every corner, even in the spotlight. I looked even behind the couch. I searched, but it was looking like there was no hope. Until I found it. So I started watching videos.
Check it out. Check it out.
So based on the information I had, I started taking notes, writing notes down. Man, at this point, my brain was ready to give up the ghost. In writing steps. Don't give up. But then, finally, I picked the cube up and started the work. Just like at the first with the sides. We were getting somewhere, guys. The next step was white, complete with the first layer completely done. First corner, once I got the hang of it, it was pretty easy from there. And just like that, next one is done. The two layers were complete and the white was complete, guys. Next was the yellow plus. Don't know what's happening with my beam. But the yellow plus was the power control. I don't know why I couldn't get it right. But actually no why I was almost away. I kept trying but I just couldn't get it. Then I had to change things up a bit, but unfortunately I did not record that part. But there's yellow plus. Now we're trying to get to the yellow fish, I think. Oh, it was the old yellow. Now it's the sides, guys. The corner. The corner is just too much. And once that was completed, I felt good, man. Like, yo, look how far we've come. And then this was hopefully the final step. And this just wasn't getting, just wasn't. And then the whole cube was solved, guys. The whole cube was done. Hit that like button, share and subscribe. Peace out.